Hey everyone, Wednesday, May 6th. I'm going to try to do this quick. I've done this video twice already and I messed up both times with the volume. So hopefully I don't mess up this time again. But the bulls remain in full control on the daily time frame, meaning that we are still in a bullish uptrend. So what that means is that we have higher lows and higher highs ever since we bottomed out here at 218 in the lows of Corona. So we bounced high, low, high, low, high, low. And basically, the bulls have been very, very strong during the last 2 months. So over the last 2 days, the bears have shown that they can get some momentum and possibly change the trend in their favor. So instead of a bullish uptrend, it'd be a bearish downtrend. So just to explain that really quick, we have the top of this whole bounce of Corona at 294.88. One of my last videos, I mentioned that we were going to retrace and look for a daily higher low above 272 to maintain the uptrend. So 2 days ago, Monday, we formed that higher low after we broke 284, which was the highs of Monday. So we formed that daily higher low, and now we're looking for a lower high below 294.88. So the way that this can go is high, low, lower high, higher low into an equilibrium. But with a huge bearish day today, if we open below the lows of today tomorrow, which would be 283.77, so if we break below 283 tomorrow, then this will be our top. And now 279.13 will have to hold. If the bulls can't hold 279.13, then that will confirm the daily downtrend for the bears. And we will start consolidating on the weekly time frame, which we haven't done since all of the Corona bounce. So if I zoom out to the weekly time frame, once the bears get a trend change in their favor, so once it's a bearish downtrend on the daily time frame, then you can mark the top of the weekly bounce. It's been 35% up without any type of retrace. So bearish downtrend on the daily time frame will mark that top, and then you'd look for a weekly higher low above 218.26. Once that is formed, then it'd be looking back up towards 294.88 to either break and have a weekly bullish trend, or you'd form this daily higher low or this weekly higher low and be in an equilibrium. I didn't mean that to go up, but you'd be in an equilibrium. So you'd have the higher low, a lower high, and this would be going through the summer, basically. So just to recap again, tomorrow we'll probably mark this daily lower high, and we'll be looking back down towards 279.13. Bulls have to hold that. If the bears break that, then we'll be in a bearish daily downtrend. So with this in mind, I put in a short in the SPY ETF around 287. Now, I didn't actually go short SPY. I went long XPXS, which is the triple inverse. It's just easier for me that way. But the reason I went short SPY was because I wanted to hedge against some of my long exposure that I have in the market. So I already sold off some of the stocks that have already broken these lows, because some of them are weaker than SPY, so some of them have already broke bearish. So I've gotten rid of those. That would be Boeing and Royal Caribbean, I think Disney also. So I got rid of those basically where I bought them, because I bought at support. and I put my hedge in, so I can still make money on the downturn, while some of my long-term stocks might be losing some value. I can still make on the short position. So I know that was a lot, but thought that would bring you guys some value, especially to those who are a little bit lost in this choppy market. So hopefully that made sense to you all, and we'll be watching tomorrow for that 279.13 to hold. So thanks for watching, and come back tomorrow for that video. Give you guys an update on who's going to be winning between the Bears or the Bulls. So stay tuned.